So I think we can start.
Yes, sir. So just one second.
Mhm.
Akriti Jain, she wants to speak something. Akriti?
Sir, I have not been added, I guess. So I
Okay,
just
your
wanted to say that.
participant code is what?
No,
Akriti,
I'm
what's
not
your
from the
participant code?
participants. I am from the panelists.
Okay, sure.
I'm
Perfect.
not from the
Yes, yes, got
participants.
it. Got it, got it. Yeah. So, very good afternoon to all the viewers, all the esteemed panel members, and the participants who have joined with us today. Today, Parul University, along with Nestle India, are having a very new initiative that we have coming up with. This initiative keeps people to be there with the hobby or the interest that they have, and this particular competition is named as a virtual healthy recipe competition, in which we have our 20 participants who have joined with us today. So I would like to request Ms. Tejal Shah, who is the cluster lead of Nestle India, to give a brief about the competition today. Tejal, ma'am.
Thank you, Ankit. So the first round of contest was amazing. Could see so many wonderful dishes. My God, it was really mouth-watering. I wish I could actually physically see them and taste them. But however, in this virtual medium, we could see it through our eyes, and I'm sure very soon we'll be able to declare the winners also. So coming to this contest, students, all the very best. I'm sure we all are chef of our own kitchen, and today I'm expecting a real good recipes from you. Just to brief you on some basic rules. So please put your camera on so that all the panel member can ask you certain questions if they have any. So basically we would like to understand that, you know, what ingredient you are using, what sort of methodology you're doing, what Nestle product have you incorporated, and what is the need of this recipe. So some basic questions. So this is 2:18 by my watch. So I guess we can start by 2:20. So you will get half an hour for your preparation and 20 to 15 minutes for your presentation. Now, when I say presentation here, you know, you need to decorate the recipe in such a manner that any, for us it's like, because we cannot taste your recipes, right? So it has to be really eye catching, because I'm sure you are going to put lot many efforts and thought for this recipes. So once again, all the best and do your best. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Tejal ma'am, for all your kind words. I hope that it will definitely help our students to get motivated a bit, because already they have the interest, but definitely this motivation is continuously required to be there. Now, moving forward, I would like to request Professor Satish Jha, who is heading uh, Parul Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technologies at Parul University, to brief the students about the judging criteria. Satish sir, please.
Thank you, Ankit sir. And I welcome all the participants over here for the competition. I hope all are prepared well. So here we have some criteria on which we are going to judge, do the evaluation of the candidates. Number one is that name of the recipe which you are preparing. You have given some like name for your dish, then the ingredient which you have used, and definitely there should be a Nestle product in that, and that should have the major role in that. It should not be like for the seasoning or something like that. It should have the major component. Then the hygiene and cleanliness during your procedure, preparation methods, which we will be observing also. The method of preparation which you are using, the any innovation you might have done in your recipes, so that will be also counted in that. And the focus target clientele which you might have targeted, right, according to your recipes, so that will also be included in the marking criteria. Even we will be having some question and answer sessions with you, that will be also counted as. And the final presentation of your dish will be there, and it will be sent to us by your picture, by taking the pictures, and that will also be considered in the marks. And marking will be like the name of your dish or the recipe will be marked as 10 marks. It will be giving out of 10. Then the ingredient which you are using, and definitely majority should be, a major role should be of Nestle product, and it will be given marks like, up to 10. Then hygiene and cleanliness is getting the weightage of 10 marks. The method of preparation is also getting the weightage of 20 marks. And any innovation which you might have inculcated in your recipes are getting the 10 marks is there. And the focus target area according to your recipes, according to your innovations, is going to be get you 10 marks, maximum of 10 marks. The interaction, the question answer sessions which we will be doing with you will be getting the 10 marks, and the final presentation will be given 20 marks. So overall calculation will be of 100 marks. Over to you, Ankit sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for getting the details about the judging criteria. Now, I would like to request Dr. Vijay Kele, who is heading the Dairy Technology Department at Parun University, to brief our students about our jury members who are there with us. Vijay, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
okay. So this virtual recipe competition we organize on the National Nutritional Month, and that recipe almost all participants has delivered in a first session was a very beautiful recipe and very nice ingredients, along with they have justified the specific targeted group. Very nice. And now we will see also a good recipe in this session also. Okay, so about the jury, so Satish sir has given the criteria for the judging. So on the basis of that criteria, we have total 9 jury member are there. So first 3 criteria are evaluate or judged by the 3 juries, that Professor Ashish Todkar, Professor Dhruvin Patel, and Professor Kinjal Rana. Then another 2 criteria that is judged by the Professor Kapil Mehta, Professor Hanuman Bodhankar, and Professor Parth Hirpara. Another 3 criteria are judged by the Professor Satish Jha, Professor Vijay Kele, and Tejal ma'am from the Nestle India. So over to you, Ankit sir.
Sure, sir. Thanks a lot. So now I would like to request all the participants to please keep their video on, and they can start preparing for their recipe. They can demonstrate it as well. Keep your audio on mute, and in between that, whenever our judges feel that they want to ask you certain questions, they will give you your names, and then you can answer the questions as well. All the participants, please keep your video on. All the very best.
Ankit, sorry to disturb you.
Sure, ma'am.
But we have today Anukriti Jain. She is a food blogger, and she is going to judge our recipes for today.
Oh, that's great.
So can I have Anukriti here? Anukriti, you are there?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Anukriti, you know, if you you're welcome to the show, and if you have any questions, you can certainly ask students, because we need your expertise today for the judgment. Thank you, Anukriti, for coming and being a part of this contest.
Sure, ma'am. I'll be actively participating in this, and I'll be seeing through.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Now I would like to request all the participants to keep their video on, and they can start their preparation for the recipe which they would be planning today.
Please start your videos.
Participants, please keep your video on so that it is easy for our judges to understand what things you are preparing as of now. I would like to request Amit, Janki, then number 26 to keep their video on so that we can start with the judging criteria.
Hello. Hello, Radhika Sharma.
Radhika, Ashish sir would like to have some word with you. If you can keep your audio on.
Hello, Radhika. Hello.
I think she's very much busy in what things they are preparing. So
It's good.
yeah, no things added. Just focus on the recipe that he's preparing.
Nityangini.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just you explain name of your recipe or product. What are the ingredients? Are you?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, I am making chocolate brownie, chocolate walnut brownie, and with that, I'm going to make a coffee icing on that. And I've used 3 Nestle products. I've used Nestle milk powder, which you can see over here. I'm going to use Nescafe coffee. I'm also going to top it with Nestle Kit Kat. So 3 Nestle products I'm using. And to make it healthy, I am not using only refined wheat flour. I am also using 3/4 portion of whole wheat flour and some portion of refined wheat flour. And of course, the use of coffee and chocolate will make it healthy. And I'll also use dry fruits like almonds and walnuts, which will always be good for anyone's health. And it can be a good dessert for any season. Even if it is summer or winter, a hot brownie can be cherished anytime.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead. Prerna Shah. Hello. Are you getting my voice? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Name of your product.
Nestle product.
Yes.
Magic masala. Nestle magic masala.
And your recipe name?
Dhan no khichdo. Dhan no khichdo.
Dhanu Khichdu.
Khichdu.
Yes.
And again, what are the?
Can we explain in brief? What is the process of manufacturing process? Can you explain?
Sorry, sir.
Please explain your manufacturing processes. Which ingredient you are using for the preparation of your product?
Yes, I'm using green peas. Then I'm using palak. I'm using carrot, onion, tomatoes, sprouts. I'm using sprouts, rajma,
Okay.
chickpeas, and then various dals. I'm using moong dal and all. I'm using masoor dal.
Okay. Please. Ashish sir, over to you.
Hello. Participant number 26. Please switch on your camera. Hello, Amit Gupta, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please explain your product. What are the ingredients, recipe, and all these things you are
Sir,
using
I
for
am
this?
preparing.
Yes.
I am preparing coffee pancake. Coffee pancake in which I have used whole wheat flour, Nestle milk powder, and after that I have used baking soda, baking powder, and salt, sugar, and Nestle coffee packets, and some nuts that are almonds, pistachio, and dates and nuts.
Okay. Which
The
Nestle
main
product you are
ingredients
using?
are Nestle milk powder, and
Milk
Nestle
powder.
coffee,
Okay. Okay.
Nescafe.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What's the novelty with your product, Amit? Mr. Amit,
Yes, sir.
what's the novelty with your product?
Sir, as
You
the
can say
pancake
any
are
kind of
very.
innovation.
Yes, sir. I have made an innovation by using in it coffee in it. Like we use only two pancakes like with the help of wheat flour or refined flour. But I have added coffee in it, so for a coffee loving person, it like very good. And for yes, sir.
Have you targeted
Hello?
any group education, yeah, for young generation? Have you targeted any group? Whatever you product are manufactured, yeah, prepared, that
Yes,
can
sir.
be targeted for any group or only for
So any person can eat, no? So if a person is diabetic, that's why I'm using whole wheat flour, not refined flour.
okay.
Refined flour, like make person not that so much good healthy health. And coffee is also good for everyone. It can use like as it is antioxidant.
Okay. Carry on.
Thank you, sir.
Darshana.
हाँ आशीष सर.
Yes. Okay. Name of your recipe and what are the ingredients you are using for your recipe or your product?
हाँ सर मैं नेस्ले शेक बना रही हूँ क्योंकि जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स है वो नेस्ले के ये किटकैट है और ये कॉफी है नेस्ले की. और ये सब ऊपर मतलब डेकोरेशन के लिए मैंने ये कट करके रखा है. नट्स है सारे और हाफ बनाना कट करके रखा है और स्किम मिल्क है जो फ्रिज में पड़ा है वो यूज करने वाली हूँ. और एक हनी है वो 1 टेबल स्पून यूज करने वाली हूँ. स्किप मिल्क सर मैंने इसीलिए चूज किया है ताकि उसमें फेट कम रहते हैं और स्किम मिल्क का फेट आई थिंक नॉट मोर देन 0.5% और एसएनएफ उसमें 8.7 रहते हैं. और सर कॉफी तो वेट लॉस करने के लिए और ब्लड सर्कुलेशन के लिए अच्छी, इसलिए मैंने कॉफी ऐड कर दी. और किटकैट इसीलिए यूज की कि कॉफी ऑलरेडी मतलब बिटरनेस देती है और स्किम मिल्क से ऑलरेडी हमने फेट तो होते नहीं है उसमें 0.5% ही होते हैं, नॉट मोर देन 5%. इसलिए मैंने किटकैट मतलब स्वीटनेस भी मिल जाता है और टेस्ट भी अच्छा आता है, इसलिए मैंने किटकैट यूज किया. और शुगर मैंने कहीं यूज नहीं की, इसीलिए किटकैट को पसंद किया और बनाना यूज किया और हनी बस.
Okay.
Yeah, again,
Very nice.
to whom you want to address or your product?
Hello.
Yes, Vijay sir, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So recipe number VRC number 3030. Please unmute your mic.
Hello.
Okay. Please explain your recipe along with the ingredient.
I'm preparing the caramel custard and I'm using the ingredients. First is the milk powder, which is of Nestle. Then I'll be using the coffee, which is Nescafe coffee. Then Kit Kat and Munch for the decoration, and also in the inner part, I'm using it as a crushed part. And in a healthy wise, I'm using eggs are there, which are the good source of protein. Then custard powder is there. Dry fruits, there are nuts like almonds, walnuts, and charoli, which is called as a churoni. So they are good for like brain and health wise. They are good. Going to be like a smooth texture kind of dish. So it is good for every kind of people, like even child, small kids to adult age, all will like the dish.
Okay, best luck. Please proceed.
Radhika Sharma. Hello. Radhika Sharma, please unmute your headphone, microphone.
Radhika, please keep your audio on. Ashish sir would like to have some word with you. If you are listening, please keep your audio on.
Yes.
Yeah, Ashish sir, you can continue.
Radhika Sharma, yes, it is audible now. Okay.
Yes, but voice not clear.
So, just to explain your product recipe and the ingredients. I think you have prepared.
Please.
Hello.
I think Radhika, you are facing some technical issues. Ashish sir is asking that please explain your recipe with the ingredients and what products you have used in that.
We have used left to.
Yeah, Radhika, please continue.
Okay, so my name is food Nasudi, where I have used a made product. That's I have used a half cup. Then I have chopped the fruits, which are peas, apple, and banana. That is I have taken 2, and also chopped the and walnut. That I have 10 tablespoons, and vitamin C, that is 1 tablespoon. Honey 1 tablespoon, milk 2.5, handle promo minutes.
Okay.
So recipe I have made is that I take a half cup of made and I have added the fruits and nuts, and I have added honey, water and seed and 1 cup of milk, and I grind all the mixtures in the mixture, and the smoothie I have poured in this into this glass ball, and I have decorated top of smoothie, and the recipe is done. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes, Radhika. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Continue.
Yeah, Radhika, whatever questions our judges were having, they have asked you. Now you can just wait for other participants to prepare their recipes, and we'll get back to you. Just be there online.
Sir, I can't hear you. Can you please repeat?
Radhika, just
Hello.
wait for some time. We'll get back to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lesson 0 to 7. VRC 0 to 7. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, क्या बना रहे हैं? As I can see, you have used Maggie and you are making something out of it. Can I know what are you making?
Yes.
You're not audible.
Sorry, ma'am. I can't hear you, ma'am.
As I can see, you have used Maggie. So can I know what are you making?
Ma'am, I'm making Maggi plus chicken soup. It's a chiggy soup. My recipe name is chiggy soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
So along with Maggie, you are making chicken soup. All right.
So participant number 27, what is your product name, final product name?
Yes, sir.
What is your final product name?
My product name is chiggy soup. I can't hear
So
you,
by
sir.
using, you can use Nestle Maggie, right? During
Yes,
preparation of this
sir.
product.
Yes.
Nestle Maggie, and also you have to add Maggie masala, right?
No, sir.
हाँ अभी पूछ रहा तो ऐसे ही बोलने का
It's माझा data.
And participant number 27, I ask you one more question. Can you tell me which volume, what is the volume of you can use water, 50 ml, 100 ml? Which quantity you have to use water?
Sir, I have added 2 glass of water.
Can you repeat once again?
I have added 2 glass of water.
2 glass.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
VRC 030. VRC 030. What is the name of your product? What is the name of your product?
Product which I am using.
Hello. I cannot hear you clearly.
Product which I am using.
Your voice is breaking. Can you repeat the name of your product?
The Nestle product which I am using. Milk powder, which is of Nestle, that is everyday milk powder. Then is the coffee, Nescafe. Then I'm using sugar, eggs, custard powder.
Then in dry fruits, it's almond, walnut, and charoli or chirondi, we can call it. And the biscuits are used, which are of banana and oat flavored biscuits. So they are going to be healthy one. And for decorations, we can use the choco flakes or cereal eggs, which are mostly loved by kids and younger generation. And in decoration and middle portion, I'm using Kit Kat and Munch as a crushed chocolate flavor.
So which product you have to made participate number 13, 30?
I'm making caramel custard.
Caramel?
Caramel custard.
Okay, so what is the time you cook this product or heat this product? Any idea?
Basically it takes 30 to 45 minutes it take.
And what is the temperature? As you know, which temperature we have to done during preparation this product?
Cooking it in a like pressure cooker.
Okay.
Participant number 30, you might be using caramel sauce also in that custard.
I'm not using the caramel sauce. I have made the caramel with the help of sugar only. Like
Okay, so you made it at home.
Yes, everything is homemade. Like custard powder and the milk powder I'm using. Other all things like caramel sauce and everything are made at home only. I've just prepared. Actually, I have kept it for the cooking in a pressure cooker, or else I would have showed it the sugar caramel.
So you were preparing the caramel custard by having the flavor of coffee, right?
Yes, coffee. I'm adding a new flavor to it.
Okay, so one thing which I want to ask is that you are giving the caramel flavor also, that is also a little bitter in flavor, and you are also adding the coffee powder, which is also giving a bitterness, right?
Yes.
How come the product will be little sweeter in taste when we are adding the two basic things which is little have the bitterness in their flavor? Why you are using this combination?
We are adding the Nestle milk powder, which is little bit of a sweet kind of taste, and I'm adding sugar also, a little of sugar, so that it balances the flavor of coffee and the.
Even the caramel is prepared by the sugar, right?
Yes.
So see, whenever we are burning the caramelizing the sugar, so it has the dominancy in that flavoring, right, in the dish. Even the coffee, we are using little amount of coffee, but it used to dominate the flavor as well, right? And then two major ingredients are there which are dominant in little bit of that flavor. So how come you will be balancing with other ingredients? That is my concern. I am not saying that you are doing wrong. I'm just asking a question for myself. Maybe you have thought something about that.
Like for coffee, I'm not using it that much. It is just like a pinch of it to flavor, to give it like a essence of the chocolate coffee flavor.
Okay.
And I'm adding the chocolate flavor also. So it basically compiles everything and gives a new flavor to the custard.
Okay. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Hello. Miss Prerna Shah. Prerna Shah, can you please unmute yourself? Prerna Shah, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you making, or are you done with your dish?
About to complete.
So what is it?
It is dhanno khichdo. It is made up of pulses and vegetables. Pulses, I have chosen rajma, chickpeas, moong dal, masoor dal, rich in fiber and protein. I have used the vegetables. I have used spices and all. I have used coconut chutney, which is
rich in fiber and full of antioxidants. The targeted group are it is very good for pregnant ladies, full of carbohydrate, energy, and protein. It is rich in protein, so adolescent girls, those who are malnourished, so they can eat this. It is full of fiber, antioxidant, energy, carbs, protein.
All right. So, are you like you just blended all the things together or cooking
I have
the
blended
vegetables?
the coconut. I have blended the coconut. Then I have add ginger garlic paste. I have made that paste, and then I have added in the khichdi and in this recipe.
Okay, so you
I have
cooked
not
the
blended all
pulses
the
and
pulses.
vegetables
I have
together.
directly pour into the cooker, pressure cooker.
Okay, so you are cooking all the pulses and vegetables together in cooker.
Yes, together.
Okay, okay. So, the flame, what should be preferred? Like medium flame, it should be cooked on?
Yeah, no. When we are sorting all the vegetables, then there the flame should be high. And once we close the pressure cooker, we have to slow it in on medium flame.
So
Okay,
one
and
thing
for how much time?
10 to 15 minutes till 3 whistles. It depends on the
Oh.
pressure cooker we use.
Okay.
So why
Thank
you
you
are
so
doing the softening of the vegetable when you are cooking in the pressure cooker? Why you are doing that? Why you are using that process?
Sorry, sir.
Why you are using sauteing of the vegetable when you are using cooking cooker, pressure cooker? Any reason behind that? Are you getting my question? Have you got the question?
Sorry, you are not audible.
Okay, actually, why you have done the sauteing of the vegetable, although you are using the pressure cooker, right? So why this step has been done?
Prerna Shah, are you able to hear, sir?
Yes. To cook the hello.
Yes,
Am
yes.
I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, can you please repeat?
What I said, it's okay, it's okay. Do not be calm. It's okay. Part of kitchen. Okay, what I was asking that you are using the pressure cooker for the cooking, right? But initially you have done the sauteing of the vegetables. So any reason behind that? Why you have done
Yes,
that one?
to cook the vegetables properly.
So
For the
if you
flame, for the taste.
see, one thing which a pressure cooker do is the even cooking.
Yes.
That's why we are using the pressure cooker. So why we have done this sauteing? That is my concern. Might be you are correct, but what will be the reason behind that, according to you?
According to me, sorting helps in proper, proper cook. If we sort the vegetables, they will be properly cooked. We don't need
Okay.
to.
It's okay. It's okay. 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 You can continue with your procedure.
Thank
Okay, Amit. Amit, what are you preparing?
Yes, sir. Coffee
What?
pancake, sir.
Coffee pancake.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So any innovation which you have done in that?
Yes, while we are preparing pancake on the whole refined flour, I have used whole wheat flour and I have used coffee in that. As
Okay,
normally
okay.
we are preparing pancake while using refined flour and egg and baking soda, and I have added coffee in there.
Okay, okay, okay.
If a
So,
person is a coffee lover, it's so good for him.
so what is the procedure of mixing that one, that ingredients when you're making before cooking? What was your procedure?
In one bowl, I have taken whole wheat flour,
Okay,
then a little bit of salt,
okay,
little bit of powdered sugar,
okay,
little bit of baking soda,
okay,
and little bit of baking powder.
Okay.
Then in a cup, I have taken milk maid powder and hot water, mix it and make a Nestle milk maid powder I have used for milk, and in that I have used some honey
Okay.
and add it in, then mix, make a batter of it, and after that in a cup I have taken Nestle coffee and some little bit of milk and make a paste of it and added it to the batter.
Okay. 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 Second thing, why you are using baking powder and baking soda? Any specific reason together?
So it gives fluffiness to the product.
Okay.
I am not using egg, that's why.
Okay. So no, it's okay. You are not using the egg, but why you are using both together? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You can continue with your process.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Ankit sir?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Satish sir, I am audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Audible.
One announcement is there for the all participants. If you have finished your product, to take the 2 to 3 photographs and upload on link given in a chat box. So please send your 3 photographs of your recipe along with the list of ingredient. Don't miss the list of ingredient. So, hello.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Hello, pardon.
Yes, sir. You're audible. You can
So, okay. Those who have finished their product, they can upload their 3 images in whatever the link provided, whatever the Google form link provided in chat box. So please take care of that. Without the submission of your final presentation of your products, whatever the photographs, that is the mandatory for the participation. Okay, don't miss it. So,
So participate to this name, Darshana. Darshana, voice is audible? Hello, Darshana.
हाँ sir.
So which product we have to make?
Hello.
Students, there is one more announcement. When you are sending a picture, please make sure that you even incorporate the Nestle product which you have used. So along with your recipe, the final dish, please put along a Nestle product which you have used. So just take a picture along with the Nestle product so that it becomes easy for us to upload on the Nestle sites. Thank you.
So Darshana,
Hello?
which
हाँ,
product
Satish
we have to make? Which product we have to make?
Hello.
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 Yeah, Darshana, sir is asking that which product you are making right now. Please.
अच्छा,
explain the recipe.
ओके. हाँ, ओके. सर मैंने स्पेशल नेस्ले शेक बनाया है और ये कंप्लीट हो गया है. ये.
What you have used for the garnish?
क्या सर?
आपने गार्निश के लिए क्या क्या यूज किया है?
हाँ सर, मैंने जो बनाना इसमें ऐड किया है वही बनाना यहाँ पे रखा है और मैंने किटकिट भी यूज की थी, वही यूज किए यहाँ पे डेकोरेशन के लिए और सम ड्राई फ्रूट्स है और यहाँ पे बॉर्डर पे जो है ना वो मैंने किटकिट की जो साइड होती है ना उससे निकाल के, क्योंकि अंदर तो वो वेफर जैसा होता है ना, इसलिए मैंने साइड से निकाल के वो साइड में पुट किया है ऐसे राउंड में. ओके सर.
Which dry fruits have you used in this shake?
हेलो।
Which dry fruits have you used in this shake?
मैम मैंने बादाम, पिस्ता और द्राक्ष यूज किए।
Okay.
यस मैम।
Okay. इसी चीज में आप वॉलनट्स डाल देते तो ये ओमेगा 3 रिच हो जाता। So just for your
हाँ, मेरा क्या था कि जो घर पे जो चीज अवेलेबल रहती है ना उससे बना हुआ ऐसा, तो मेरे पास कॉफी भी थी, किटकैट भी थी, नेस्ले की, और ये सारी बेसिकली चीजें वो घर पे अवेलेबल रहती है, तो जितना था उससे मैंने
No, very frankly, after having a good lunch, when I see your shake, it's really tempting. मुंह में पानी आ गया. So really yummy recipe. Thanks, Darshana.
Thank you so
Darshana,
much.
I ask you one more. Darshana, I ask you one more question. So why we have to use banana?
हेलो। हाँ सर, बनाना मैंने इसीलिए यूज किया क्योंकि मैंने स्किम मिल्क और कॉफी यूज की है। स्किम मिल्क में फेट नहीं, फेट मतलब 0.5% ही रहते हैं, तो स्वीटनेस इतना नहीं रहता, इसीलिए मैंने बनाना और किटकैट यूज किया है सर, ताकि स्वीटनेस भी रहे और बिटरनेस आता है कॉफी की वजह से, और स्किम मिल्क में भी इतना स्वीट नहीं होता क्योंकि क्रीम निकाल देती, इसलिए मैंने बनाना और किटकैट को स्वीटनेस की तरह यूज किया है ताकि सब बैलेंस रहे सर।
तो आपको ऐसे नहीं लगता कि बनाना की वजह से उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी थिकनेस के ऊपर कुछ इफेक्ट गिर सकता है?
सर थिकनेस तो अच्छी हो जाती है ना, क्योंकि स्किम मिल्क होता है वो ऑलरेडी मतलब बहुत पतला होता है, तो ये हम लोग ने शेक बनाया इसलिए मतलब बनाना होगा तो मतलब थिकनेस मतलब मेंटेन रहेगी ना, ये मतलब टेस्ट में अच्छा आएगा, वरना वो क्या स्किम मिल्क मैं बनाना ऐड नहीं करती, और स्किम मिल्क मतलब पानी जैसा लगता है कि पीते रहते, इसलिए मैंने बनाना यूज किया ताकि थोड़ा ठीक लगे और पीने में भी धीरे धीरे थोड़ा टाइम लगे ऐसा।
गुड, कीप इट अप।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
So participant number 30. So your product is ready. Participant number 30030. My voice is audible. Participant number 13.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
So participant number 13, what is your end product name?
My product name is caramel custard. Caramel custard. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Ankit, can you just help us out understand how much time left? Because this is 3-4. How long we're going to continue?
I think we have started at 2:20.
Yes.
So we can continue it for next 15 minutes and then we can finish it up.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello. Hello, Radhika Sharma. Radhika Sharma. Can you please unmute your?
Yes, ma'am.
is the name of your product? Have you tell me your product?
Ma'am, I could not hear you.
Hello. Can you tell me the name of your product?
Sorry.
Name of your product, the dish you are preparing.
Okay, so I have made smoothie, that is fruits and nuts smoothie,
Okay.
and I have used this Nestle Milkmaid product.
Hello, Radhika. Hello, Radhika Shani. Hello. Am I audible to you,
Hello.
Radhika Sharma? Which ingredients you use in
Yes,
this
ma'am.
recipe?
Yes, ma'am.
Which other ingredients you use?
Ma'am, I have used half a cup of. Yes, ma'am. I have used half a cup of Milkmaid, and I have used some of the fruits, that is banana, apple, and pears. That I have used 2 cups, and some of the nuts, that is walnuts and watermelon seed. I have used, and I have used honey, and 1.5 cup of milk, and pomegranate also.
Can you tell me some health benefits of your smoothies?
Yes, ma'am. The benefits is like most of the children like this recipes because it is something different. So the benefit is they have a source of antioxidants. They enhance immunity, and also their mood swings can be changed. So they also improve the immune skin. They improve the skins and prevent the heart disorder, and it also balance the hormonal functions. Also, it boosts the brain power as well.
Hello. Hello, Radhika.
Radhika, I have
Am
a
I audible
question
to you?
for you. Why you call this recipe a smoothie and not a custard or a dessert recipe? Why you call it a smoothie?
Ma'am, hello. Hello.
Radhika, yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, Radhika, you're audible. Please continue.
Radhika, your dish is looking yummy.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So I have a question for you. Why you call it a smoothie? And why not a custard or a dessert?
Ma'am, the specific reason, literally, I don't know, but smoothie sounds something new. So that is why I kept this.
What is the innovation within your recipe?
Sir, I have used the watermelon seed in this because it has a lots of good nutrients which keeps our body so healthy, and this is the fully nourished because the children looks they wanted some creativity in the food. So it is the easy way to nourish, and it saves and consume time and energy as well.
How you will differentiate your product than the other same kind of product available on the Google or any YouTube links? How you will be differentiate your own product than the other?
Hello.
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 Radhika.
Hello. Hello.
I think Radhika's network is also very smart.
Hello.
Yeah, Radhika, you're audible. You can definitely answer.
Okay, no problem. Okay, please.
Hello.
Ankit sir,
Yes, sir.
नेस कैफे दिख रहा है?
Yes. Yes, we can definitely see that. So
We
this is
have
another thing which I would like to mention that Vijay sir, thank you very much for getting me reminder of this, that we have Nestle products used at our campus as well, and the maximum used product is Nescafe, which we are having available in the whole campus of our university, and everywhere it is available for all
three
the
outlet is there.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. 3 outlet is.
Yes. So definitely. Thanks a lot, Vijay sir, for getting the
Eh,
reminder.
Hello. Hello.
हाँ मैम.
Yeah, Darshana.
हाँ एंड सर हमारे कैंपस जो पीआईटी है ना, जो मेन कैंपस के सामने वाला, वहां पे तो कैंपस के अंदर ही रखा है। हम लोग सीढ़ियों से आए, डायरेक्ट नेस्कैफे, डायरेक्ट नेस्ले की सारी प्रोडक्ट, मैगी वगैरह, और बैठने का भी रख दिया, कैंपस के अंदर रखा है हमारे सेंटर में।
Yeah, so it's good for you, I think, that you can enjoy the coffee with Maggie both.
Yes, sir.
So Amit Gupta, your product is ready? Amit?
Yes, sir. I am just plating the product. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
So
Amit.
what are you?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. What are you doing right now? Your product is ready?
Yes, sir. I am just plating the product. I have started the plating of it just now.
Participant number 30. I can see you are done with your plating also, I guess.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm working on it.
Okay. So can you please show from a little close?
Is it visible, ma'am?
Actually, your screen is hacked. So I
One
can't see
second, ma'am.
anything.
One second.
Yes. I guess there is some internet issue. I think you should continue with your work. I'll catch up with you later. Prerna Shah, I think you're ready. You're done with your thing.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's really looking amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
What I believe is presentation is what attracts. Like even if the healthy food, nutrition food is mostly attracted by presentation, and I think you did it well. You can easily attract any age group for this.
Thank you, ma'am.
Agree with Anikruti. You have done a beautiful vegetable carving. I hope you have done it or you have taken somebody's help. Rina?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done this carving, the rolls which you have made, or you have taken a help of your mom?
No, I have done.
Very nice. Very beautifully
My
done.
mom
Very
gave
easy and beautifully done.
idea was gave by my mom, but I did.
Yeah, that's really nice.
And
Really good. Keep it up.
And what did you kept along with it to accompany it? Is it curd or what?
Yes, it is curd.
Okay, what did you put in it?
It is dhania jeera powder and chili powder.
Okay, dhania jeera powder directly you put it, or you
Yes,
made it
directly.
out of it?
No, directly.
Okay.
Prerna, I must compliment you because you have actually given a thought to the recipe that if somebody is having a rice, they need to have a curd along with it. And you have done a beautiful papad garnishing with it. So, real thoughtful of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, participant number 30. Now I can see your dish, and no doubt it's looking really very tempting.
I hope it's clear now, ma'am.
Yeah, it's clear. So what did you use to garnish it? As I can see some Kit Kats you have used.
Yes, Kit Kat are there. Then I have made the the caramelized sugar in a I have wrapped it on a butter paper and I have tried to make it out as a like this.
Okay.
And I have used pistachio, pista, and the Kit Kat crushed Kit Kat and the cereal eggs like cornflakes. as a crushed form on the upper garnishing.
All right. It's really looking very nice. I feel
It's
like eating it
tempting.
now.
Yeah, it's really tempting.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can you just help me understand what name have you given to this wonderful recipe?
I have kept the name of it as a caramel custard,
Okay,
like
caramel.
caramelized custard. Yes.
Okay. Why you don't feel to give off some fancy name like smoothie and all that?
No, ma'am. Something like it's a basic. It's relate to my family, and it's for me, it's relate to myself only, like my childhood. So I have kept it as a basic name only because
Okay.
it relates to my childhood. That's why I
I
have
see.
kept it that way only. But try to give it a new look and some new additional flavors to it.
Right.
Yeah, so you gave it a flavor of coffee also.
Yes, I have
A
added a
pinch of
coffee. So I have
coffee
given
that
it.
you did earlier. So why didn't you added that something like chocolate or coffee to the name? Because caramel though is used, but also you used coffee and you flavored it with it.
Ma'am, actually, I have added a coffee, like a slight of pinch of it to give a flavor. And actually, I have kept in my mind that like I feel like the flavor of coffee, so I have added it. But I have kept it optional also. So if someone doesn't like, so they can don't use the coffee flavor. That's why. And the main basic of this dish is like caramel. Main thing is to caramel.
Okay, okay.
And I have caramelized the sugar at home, so that was the like important part for me because to
So
caramelize it properly.
So what product other than Nescafe have you used from Nestle?
Nestle milk powder, like everyday milk powder name.
All right.
Here is the packet. And Kit Kat is there. Then Nescafe coffee. And I have added biscuit also of banana and oats flavor. So that is also like kind of giving a healthy part to the dish. And this dish is like can be eaten by every age, from childhood to the adulthood people, and even the diabetic patient can also have it because it is not it is not like so much sweetness is not there. It can be moderately kept, and it also have eggs in it, so it is like protein in protein wise also it is a good. And the Nestle powder milk powder which we are using is like of low fat containing. So that is the best part of the Nestle milk powder, which I like the most.
Even I like that part, so I also use Nestle milk powder.
And Nescafe coffee is also like one of my favorite.
That's everyone's favorite, probably, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually.
And
So,
actually basically relates to my family because it's like kind of a favorite dish of everyone in my family member.
yeah.
Okay.
So one announcement for the participants we have that we are done with our time, and I request all the participants to please keep their video on and represent the final recipe that they have prepared. Thank you.
So one question, where we have to upload the pictures?
You just see into the chat box in this particular session. Dr. Vijay Kele has uploaded a link of a Google form where you need to upload this recipe.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So only Amit is left.
Sir, can you send again the link once again, because in between I got disconnected and there is no messages in the chat box.
Yes, why not? I would be sharing it right away. Yeah, so I hope our judges have gone through these recipes that these people have prepared. So any final comment if we have, Satish sir, Vijay sir, Ashish sir?
All of them have done done the very creative way. They have done presentation. All the participants have done. Presentation was really nice, creative, and they have used the maximum ingredients what they can do. Even the carving, which right now, which is done by the Prerna Shah, was done great. Even the sugar work, which was done by the one of our participants, right? So that was also very great, and that was also very innovative, as done by them.
Sure, sir. Thank you. I would like to request Professor Satish Jha, sir, to kindly give a thanks giving note for all our participants.
Okay. Thank you all. It was really great to have you on this platform. You have shown your talent, and it was really very innovative. And we have also created a like this platform so that all the people can expose their talents over here. Thank you to the Nestle. They have coordinated with us, and we have created this platform. Thank you, sir. Thank you to everyone. Have a nice day.
Thanks a lot. I think Nityangini ma'am also have something to display here. Nityangini ma'am, do we have anything to display here from your side?
Pictures after.
Pardon? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I was just taking the photographs and garnishing. Okay. Yeah, can you see?
Yes, yes. Very nice. Satish, sir, I hope it is visible to you.
I hope I'm audible.
Yes, yes. Audible and visible both.
So I was just taking the photographs. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. You can upload it over there, and we'll get back to you.
Definitely, sir. I'll just upload in sometime.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
So on behalf of Parul University family, I, Ankit Pandya, would like to thank all the jury members, along with Nestle India, and specifically, I would like to mention here that the support from Department of Dairy Technology, Department of Food Technology, and the Department of Hotel Management and Catering Technology to make this competition happen was something which definitely I would not be in the position to mention in words. So thanks a lot to all the jury members who have helped us and given their time in arranging the things out. So thank you very much, all the jury members, and a very special thanks to all the participants who have initiated this thing and come out of the box to do something digitally, because it is new for all of us. So thank you very much, and the results would be declared on 2nd of October. That is on Gandhi Jayanti, which is a very good day for all of us to celebrate the things out. So thank you very much, everyone, and stay tuned for the results with us. Thank you very much. Please take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.